Hey guys, wanted to do a quick review on these beautiful cabinet knobs. So you'll get boxes and you'll get the doorknob and the 2 or the 3 screws that comes with it. We ordered a bunch of them from Amazon and we have these white cabinets everywhere, and it would almost seem perfect to use these. So that's why we went for them. They look very clean in the design of them and they're comfortable to grip. This part right here is not too sharp. I love the matte black color. The quality is supposed to last for a very long time. It's scratch resistant, and you just put screws right here and you get the screws in the kit. So yeah, it's a really great product. I'm glad that they have something like this on Amazon. They look really nice and clean in the design. Can't wait to install these in these beautiful cabinets. I think that this is just perfect for cabinets like these. And I have more cabinets right here and more over there. Check out the results after the installation. So it took about 30 minutes total to install these knobs / pulls for the entire kitchen. It was simply screwing them in the right place, and that's all. They're nice and secure after the installation, and the hardest part is really just figuring out where exactly that you want them. So far I'm impressed. Definitely recommend, check them out. Hopefully this review was helpful. Good luck.